A pool is a collection of questions. Buzz can be set to randomly draw a certain number of questions from a pool and use them to create an assessment. To define a question pool, you'll need to go into an assessment and go into the settings. Here, you will need to indicate the overall desired number of questions you want to draw for the assessment. For example, if you have 50 questions in the assessment and want the students to answer 10 of them, you would enter 10. You then need to indicate how you want the questions to break down by pool. Pools can be organized by groups. If you check this box, you must provide the question group name and the number of questions you like chosen from this group. You also could select from learning objectives. If you click this option, you'll need to select at least this many questions per learning objective. Buzz ensures the guidelines is followed. If there aren't enough questions aligned with the objective, Buzz just uses all of the available questions. By question type, if you check this box, you must indicate how many of each question type you want represented in the assessment by completing the fields below. How many multiple choice, multiple answer questions, fill in the blank, essay, and ordering. When you're in the Questions tab, you can link to a question. This allows you to choose the course in which the pool exists, and then you can choose the pool. This will then pull the questions from this pool that you indicated in the settings. And when you're done, click Save.